So I got a beef jerky recipe that I've just been dying to try. The only problem is I need a smoker. I think it's time to put this thing to work. I found this over 30 years ago and thought, man, it's way too cool to just sit here and rest on the porch. This thing is stupid heavy, and yeah, I almost did lose a finger. Oh crap, lost a leg. That's not good. I didn't really have a plan for how to build this cold smoker. I just saw a picture on the internet and thought, why not? I can do that. For this project, I have 3 rules. Spend $0, be okay if it fails, and let's not let it look like a damn outhouse. Not too concerned if it really burns up. If it does, I learned something. If it works, I get a free smoker. Sometimes you just have to start and figure it out as you go. After 40 years, this old wood stove's finally got a purpose. Now I have to wait until it gets cold. It's cold enough out here to where I can actually get some cold smoking going. Well, I guess that'll work. Outside, 34 inside, perfect smoke. Today what I got in here is I got some beef jerky. I also got some hard cheese and some eggs in here of all things. I've heard that the eggs are just delicious. Oh, look at that. That is smoky on the outside and delicious on the inside. Don't need anything else. Wow, check this out. Look at this. Oh, nice smoky rind. That is good. But my jerky probably even tastes better than this. Let's find out. This is now my new best friend. Simply salt, pepper, and some cherry wood thrown in the smoker. Who would have known that it was this good? Oh yeah.